You're fried, pigface.
Yes, the amulet of Zor.
Oh, brilliant, the amulet.
Another piece is mine.
Say goodbye, Ace Lightning, you superhero scum!
This fight isn't over, Lord Fear. It's just begun.
Access. Activate. Stand by.
Level 7.
Access. Activate. Stand
Never heard of level 7.
Access. Activate. Stand by.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone. 'Cause there's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Access. Activate. Stand by.
Where'd they go? What's wrong with this game?
Access. Activate. Stand by.
Me hungry! Me want eats!
Can't you see we're in another dimension, you imbecile? First, we find our headquarters. Those are the rules. Hey, boss! Look! Up there! We need those pieces to exit this dimension. Follow me!
Lord Fear, leaving so soon? The least you could do is say hello.
My foolish foe. You've just saved me the trouble of having to find you.
Let's talk face to face. It's so much more personal.
Just a dream.
I told you this wasn't over. Now cough up the amulet.
Okay, it's not a dream.
Oh, my leg! Haven't you crippled me enough already?
That was an accident in another dimension a long time ago.
All right. You win, my friend. I surrender. Take the amulet of Zor, but spare me. I'm begging mercy.
Why should I?
After all our battles, you should have learned. You're no match for me. Anvil, my oversized underling. Finish him off.
Anvil, break him so he can't get up.
Yes, yes. Destroy him. Get on with it.
Leave him alone!
Who is that?
He could be another lightning knight. There might be others. Come, my evils. We must retreat and learn more about this. Okay.
Look, kid, if you're gonna be my sidekick, you gotta work on your timing.
This is insane. You're not real. I don't understand.
That makes two of us. So, what do they call you?
Mark.
Well, Marcus, the next move had better be ours. Show me where to find the Carnival of Doom.
We're not going anywhere. You're hurt.
I'll power up again. I'll be fine.
Mark, we're home.
Mark, you here?
Mark.
Is that the enemy?
No, that's just my parents. Parents! Look, Ace, would you mind just hiding back here, behind the shed?
Hey, kid. I don't hide from anything.
Come on!
Mark, are you still awake? Is anything wrong?
No, Mum, everything's fine. Just super.
Sorry about the hour, Mark. Had to meet everyone at the new office. You know how accountants like to talk and talk and talk.
Oh, and that weather out there, I thought we'd left all that rain behind in England. Mark, trees are down, roads are blocked, it's total chaos out there.
I'll say.
Boss! Boss! I found our hideout! You've done well, my flying rodent. Behold, the new Carnival of Doom. The perfect place for the final battle. Right you are, my totem of terror.
Me smells good eats. Lots of garbage.
Is our piece of the amulet safe?
Need you ask, my lord?
Excellent. We'll find the other pieces soon enough. Now come. Come and conquer.
Hey! Who's that? What's going on here?
Enough with your quibbling questions. You will speak to Lord Fear only when spoken to.
It's all right, my steady staff head. Good evening. Lord Fear at your service. And permit me to introduce Lady Illusion.
Oh, I get it. Hey, Carney's looking for work. Well, I ain't hiring, and I sure ain't hiring in the middle of the night. Now clear out of here, the two of you. And don't make me use this.
Smash! Anvil smash him!
No. All of you, listen to me. You are never, ever to harm this gentleman here without my permission. Please continue, Mr.
Duff Kent. Yeah, now that I think about it, I could really use some professional help. And you're all professionals. I can tell. Congratulations, you're hired.
Splendid. I trust this is the beginning of a most profitable partnership.
Morning, Mickey.
Did you ever hear of knocking?
Ooh, what's with the outfit?
They're my pajamas. I sleep in them.
Well, nap time's over, kid. Get into your fighting gear. We have to find the Carnival of Doom and send Lord Fear back to prison in the 6th dimension. It's our mission, Marvin.
My only mission is to get through my first day of school. And it's Mark. Mark.
Mark?
See, Mark. Dad,
Mark, who are you talking to? Is everything okay? Mark, can I come in?
No, Dad, I'm getting dressed.
You've got 2 minutes. Or you'll be late for school. It's your first day, remember?
How could I forget?
Oh, that boy's awfully strong for his age.
Look, Ace, I don't know what's going on here, but... Wait, what's happened? You're, like, totally recharged.
Luckily, I found a new power source. I'm ready to rumble, kid. So get yourself powered up.
Mark!
Go on, go on!
I'll catch you later.
Mark, downstairs, 1 minute.
Car trouble, Dad?
The thing won't start. This battery is new, but it's completely dead. I mean, it's like someone has siphoned all the power out of it.
So that's how he did it.
That's how who did what?
Nothing, Dad. I gotta go. I don't want to be late for school.
That's how who did what?
So you're the one.
I am? Who told you? Wait, the one what?
The one who moved into the Anderson house? I'm Samantha, your neighbor.
Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
You're from England? That is so cool.
It is?
Yeah. So how you like it here? Guess it's pretty different.
So far, yeah.
Hey, it's lightning.
Where?
In your hand.
Oh, yeah. So you play?
Know what my boyfriend does. So that's why I heard all that noise from your house. You play your video games loud, huh?
Yeah, makes it more realistic.
I know, I could hear their voices. You must have some awesome speakers.
Yeah. Is that the bus?
Samantha, over here.
Well, it was nice meeting you.
Likewise.
Taken. Saved. Reserved.
It's all yours, dude. Name's Chuck. Chuck Mughal. Welcome to Conestoga Hills Middle School.
Hey, Chucky up, Chuck. You gonna puke all over the new kid?
No, Wayne, I'm not gonna barf today. I took a motion sickness pill. I get car sick.
This is a bus.
Tell that to my stomach. Last time, it was like projectile, man. It just went everywhere. The windows, seats, kids were falling in it. They said I couldn't ride the bus anymore. But my mother, she complained to the school board. She said it was the driver's fault or the bus company or something. She's a lawyer.
Chuck, I'm gonna listen to my music now.
Blast away, dude. Ace Lightning in the Carnival of Doom. Sweet game.
Hello, Chuck.
I saw you sitting by yourself. Thought you could use some company.
So you play this game?
Mm-hmm.
How does it end?
Dude, I wish I knew. I'd give anything to finish the game, but I can never find enough pieces of the amulet to beat Lord Fear.
Hi. I have a bet with my friend. Have you ever met the Queen?
No. But I met Prince William.
Really? You win.
Girls. Anyway, you have to be at maximum power to beat Lord Fear, or else he obliterates Ace Lightning and takes over the world.
Maybe you could help me. I've got this problem. It's really bizarre, but...
Hey, guys. Sorry to interrupt, but a bunch of us are going to get some pizza after school. Do you want to come?
Pizza? I'm there.
I was talking to him.
Sure. I can meet you after science class.
Great. Well, okay, bye.
Samantha Thompson hasn't talked to me since elementary school. This could be the dawn of a whole new era.
Samantha, she's popular?
Yeah, like the most popular girl in school. She's at the top of the popularity pyramid, along with her boyfriend, Brett.
So if they're at the top, then where are you?
Yo, Prince of Puke. We're finished eating here. Aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, Wayne. How you doing? I'll get started right away. Sorry about that.
What are you, Chuck? His slave or something?
Well, the thing is, I'd rather do this than get beat up.
I don't know how it works here, but back home, people will carry on pushing you around till you learn to stand up for yourself.
Yo, Brit boy. Want to join your little buddy up, Chuck?
I don't want any trouble.
Then butt out. What a wuss.
Where's a superhero when you really need one?
So, is electromagnetic radiation simply the flow of energy through space at the speed of light in the form of electromagnetic waves? Hardly. It is the flow of photons, isn't it? And this refers to what? Mr. Mughal.
Planck's constant?
Now, photons having the same energy, their number density corresponds to... Let us ask our newest student, shall we? Mr. Hollander.
Could you repeat the question, sir?
Tut, tut. Must have interrupted his tea time, don't you know? What? Remember, you horrible little people, there'll be a test on Monday. And Mr. Hollander, perhaps you'd be good enough to join us.
Hey, Mark. Don't worry about Chesborough. It picks on everybody. So you ready to go?
Maybe another time. I can't. I've got to see someone. Look, I'm really sorry. Bye. I'm sorry.
But it's so strange. He just ran off.
You mean that English kid? Seems kind of weird, don't you think?
Well, he's actually nice. It's just, I wonder if there's something wrong.
You know, I'm sure he's fine. Come on, everyone's waiting.
All right, kid. Let's see what you've got. Show me your powers.
I told you I don't have any superpowers. I'm not a lightning knight. This is reality.
You want to talk reality, kid? All right, here goes. Somewhere out there, Lord Fear is plotting to get my piece of the amulet, and if we don't stop him and send him back to prison in the 6th dimension, it is the end of this world.
But it's just a game.
A game. Look, if you want to see your world taken over by superhuman scum from the 6th dimension, that's your business. But I've got a job to do, and I can't do it alone.
But why me? I'm not a hero.
I'll tell you something, kid. There are all kinds of heroes out there. I mean, look at you. You went somewhere today you'd never been before. Met all kinds of strangers. Now that took real courage. Here, catch.
What's this?
It's my piece of the amulet. You'll need it to become a lightning knight, but keep it with you at all times if it ever gets into the hands of Lord Fear.
Yeah, I know. It's game over. Look, Ace, I'm not sure I'm ready for all this.
You'll never know until you try. So long, kid. I'm off to find the Carnival of Doom.
But wait! Can't we talk about this? I mean, what am I supposed to do?
Just follow the code of the Lightning Knight. Do right, and fear not.
Do right and fear not.
Our enemy approaches. The trap is set. This time there will be no mercy. This time, Ace Lightning will be destroyed.
But, your lordship, what about the meddling mortal?
Ah, yes. Our foolish adversary has a sidekick. My lady, if you would be so kind. He, too, must be utterly annihilated.
Looks like I'll have to face this on my own. Yes! The Amulet of Zor. Another piece is mine.
Say goodbye, Ace Lightning, you superhero scum! Whoops!
I can't believe you fell for that.
No, not right. This isn't how it's supposed to end.